Lysander.
What's wrong, Hermia?
Okay, I have great message. Execution votes on the jury or listen to my father.
Why?
My dad wants me to marry the mistress. But I want to marry you, Lysander.
That's alright, Hermia. The course of our true love never did run off. We'll run off to my aunt's house. She lives in a place far, far away. And we will go to an enchanted forest in the middle of the night and probably get lost.
Sounds great.
Oh, Hermia, Demetrius loves your beauty. Why, oh why can't I be hot like you? Then maybe he'll love my beauty.
Wow, it seems to be you. Hey, want to know a secret?
Yeah.
Lysander and I are going to run off to his aunt's house. It's far, far away. Promise me you will not tell a single person.
Promise.
I have a better idea. Why don't I let Demetrius know about Hermia's life?
Freeze! Oh, freeze! Helena, I love you.
What?
I spite.
You love her? No, I love you more.
You thief of love, you took my God, you took both of my gods.
What did you say earlier? Oh yeah, it stinks to be you.
Oh yeah?
Isn't this great? I know. What is the problem?
Marcos.
No.
Now?
No, I do not. No, we're not like you. Go away.
You must be all up. You got the left button on the wrong machine eyes. I did. Oh well, but it's very entertaining. This is a problem. Are you kidding me? This is great entertainment. Just ask the audience. Hey, audience, do you think this is great entertainment?
Yay!
Sandra, you said awake. I said awake.
What?
I think Demetrius does not love me.
And runs through fire. I will for the sweet sake. Huh? I love you.
But you love Hermia.
Not Hermia, but Helen, I love you. We will change that.
Hello, Lysander? Where did you go?
They are so nice that I feel I need yeah, I bring me a candy bag.
Freeze! A donkey. I thought this very funny. Are you kind of like him? Freeze!
Overall, I have so much. You won't believe what happened.
Let me guess. You fell in love with a donkey.
How did you know?
There lies your love.
Yes.
But you like me now. Cool.
Oh, freeze! Helena, Hermia, I thought about time.
Hey, Helena, I love you.
Finally.
Hey, I'm tired. Let's go to sleep.
Okay.
It was all a dream.
Oh no, I have to have an answer for the job today. Execution, nunnery, or listen to my father. Oh, but I still love Lysander.
I love Helena. Well, then, Hermia, your dad may be upset, but I think the Duke will be happy we are all in love.
And I am sure he will want us all to get married too. I mean, this is a Shakespeare comedy, right? Everybody always gets married in a Shakespeare comedy.
Okay, let's get married.
That's soon enough. Time to go to bed.
Okay.